Welcome to the Dintalks channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best yoga mats. The links to the products are given in the description box. The fifth one on the list is IUGA Pro Non-Slip Yoga Mat. It's an unbeatable non-slip performance, eco-friendly, and SGS certified material for hot yoga, odorless, lightweight, and extra large size. Free carry strap, water absorbing surface for extra grip, excellent traction with textured bottom. No chemical smell or harsh odor, extra large size, 72 inches by 26 inches, optimal cushion and stability, thick 5 mm, lightweight and travel friendly, 2.5 pounds. Carrying strap included. The fourth one on the list, Gruper Yoga Mat, non-slip, eco-friendly fitness exercise mat with carrying strap, pro yoga mats for women, workout mats for home, Pilates, and floor exercises. The Gruper TP Yoga Mat is made of non-toxic, odorless, and harmless TP material, which is friendly to the body and the environment, and is highly recommended by yoga lovers. Provide free yoga mat bag and elastic band for easy storage and carrying. The third one on the list, BalanceFrom All-Purpose Exercise Yoga Mat. It's a 1/2 inch extra thick, high-density anti-tear exercise yoga mat with carrying strap and yoga blocks. 71-inch long, 24 wide, ensures comfort for people of all shapes and sizes. With high-density foam material, the 1/2 thick premium mat comfortably cushions spine, hips, knees, and elbows on hard floors. Easy strapping and lightweight feature are added to this mat for easy transport and storage. With double-sided non-slip surfaces, BalanceFrom All-Purpose Premium Exercise Yoga Mat comes with an excellent slip-resistant advantage to prevent injuries. Exceptional resilience allow you to keep your balance during any exercise style. Moisture-resistant technology makes the mat to be easily washed with soap and water. The second one, Retrospec Solana Yoga Mat. Extra thick for comfort and balance, Solana Firm 1-inch extra thick fitness mat with mat strap alleviates stress on pressure points such as joints, hips, hands, and knees. Solana measures 72 inches by 24 inches by 1/2 inch. Non-slip grip, Solana's non-slip material keeps you steady and balanced while staying securely on the floor. The innovative design helps prevent injury and allows you to focus on your practice or workout. Durable and portable, Solana's thick, durable material allows for everyday use, regardless of the intensity of your exercise. Solana comes equipped with a nylon carrying strap so you can easily transport it from your home practice to studio salutations. Free of harsh chemicals, our products are free of phthalate, heavy metals, and latex. Your mat may initially release a harmless odor. If so, unroll your mat and air it for a day or two before using. Easy to clean, Solana is easy to keep clean and fresh for your next workout. Use a mix of gentle soap and water, wipe clean, and hang it to dry. Do not submerge. The first one, Liforme Happiness Travel Mat. This mat is made from sustainable, biodegradable natural rubber and has a non-slip, grippy surface. It also has a unique alignment system to help you position your body correctly in each pose. Transform your practice. Liforme's portable mat unit. At 72 inches by 26 inches by 0.09 inches. It's perfect to use on its own, as a topper, and light enough to be carried to classes. This product comes with a free yoga bag. Ultimate grip, this premium mat benefits from the groundbreaking Liforme Grip for Me material that gives you an unparalleled warrior-like grip whilst practicing. Revolutionary alignment system are intelligently designed unique. Align for Me system helps guide and prevent injuries to yogis of all experience levels, maximizing yoga enjoyment. Make sure to check the description box for product links. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.